Dealing with a faulty heating or cooling unit? AirWorth can fix that. We're not just another HVAC company looking to make a quick buck. We generally want to make your life better, which is why we invest only in the best people and products. As an authorized American Standard dealer, we have the best line of products for your commercial and residential HVAC needs. Not only that, never feel insecure because of our technicians. All of them have been background checked and trained in customer service. Call us today. AirWorth, serving the DFW Metroplex since 1995.